2016 Honda Civic. The ones with the notorious leaking condensers. If I could get this to focus. There you go. 2016 Honda Civic. This has the YF refrigerant. And this had the notorious leaking condenser. But there's a backstory on this one. Back in 2020, I filled this up and it had a leaking Honda condenser. And the technician at that time, there was a shortage of condensers. Supposedly he couldn't get it from Honda. I think that's what he's told me. So out of his pocket, I think he said he got an aftermarket one to put on there because the Honda ones were leaking anyway. So I wouldn't think this would be leaking, but when I came up to it, it only had 32 psi of pressure in it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put high pressure nitrogen in there. I got both my leak detectors out. I already used the UV light looking for leaks on the condenser. I found absolutely nothing. So we all know Hondas, anybody with experience, they have a problem with the leaky shaft seal and they have a problem with the leaky evaporator. And that's a huge problem with these Hondas. So we're gonna find out. I hope it's not the evaporator, but we're gonna find out. So I'm gonna kill off, I was vacuuming out just the line. I got it hooked up right here. Let's see, that's off. This has nitrogen going to it. So let's open it up there. Let's put a little pressure in there. Yeah, it'd be good if I actually turned it on. And let's crank up a little pressure in this baby. And we're gonna do some leak checking on this before he goes ahead and just buys another condenser thinking it's another condenser. I don't want him to waste his money or his time. No nitrogen. Oh, no, I'm good. I just didn't have my regulator up. There we go. We're good as gold now. Up high and low side, there we go. Hold it right there. Let it settle. Take a few minutes. And I did not do this by the book, because some of you will notice that, but you didn't. Yeah, I know what you guys are gonna say. For you guys who know, it's because I want to use these. But I just wanted to go right now. I'm adjusting this to get it nice and sensitive. I want to just blow that out, right? I'm like right at the breaking point. Come on, go down. Now this is why a lot of guys don't like this leak detector. I like manual. Manual is more sensitive and it doesn't auto range. And you have to manually, that's the word manual. You have to manually set this. And I love this thing since I was 12 years old because this is what I grew up on. And I didn't know any better. I didn't know anything else. And since I was spoiled using this, what is that, 48 years ago, I had the best of the best and everything else was trash. And well, until they came up with the D-Tech Stratus. So, okay, I'm gonna get a contact high getting in here, I could tell that. Let's see. We're gonna put that in there and we're gonna look for refrigerant coming out of the dash. Let me get the other leak detector. Ooh, I think I hear it picking up a little bit. Find out in a minute. Let's get this other one in here. So, should I put it on sensitive or cloud hunting mode? I have it on I have it on super right now. I don't know if you can see that with the glare there. It's on super right now. I hear an uptick. Is this key in here? I'm not sure. But let me recalibrate this for parts per million. So I'm putting it out here so it could recalibrate out in the air before I switch it over to cloud hunting mode. Oops, wrong thing. There we go, zeroing, that's manual. I don't want manual. I want this. Okay, let's try this again. No, not yet. Let's see if I get it up here. Well, I'm gonna have to go down below to it. Well, what I'll do is I'll get the key. We'll do a little movement of the I don't have the key with me. Sorry guys, I came totally unprepared because I wasn't planning on doing this because he said condenser and I just wanted to jump through. Let me see. Can you get that down there? Come on, right there. Isn't that ticking annoying? Doesn't the camera microphone pick it up and then just magnify the ticking noise annoyingly loud when you play it through YouTube on your phone or computer? All right. So I'm going to go run and grab, oh, let's see if he has this in here. Nope. Okay, I gotta go around the key. So that just blew this video for being a one-part video. There's gonna be a video number 2 when I get the key and I could get this blower wheel spinning. No, I'm not gonna go under there and take anything off or try to go below. I like doing this method. It has 170 PSI on it. And if it is leaking from the evaporator, by the time I walk inside, get a key, come back out here, there will be a release of some refrigerant into the evaporator case. And one of these guys will pick it up. Let's see who wins. All right, video number 2 coming up.